Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Dynamic Island sits at the top center of your 7-inch iPhone 15 Plus display. It replaces static notches with an interactive pill-shaped area that moves and expands. The island shows live activities like timers, music, and maps while apps run in the background. It also displays incoming alerts, AirPods status, and a call timer in one place. Use the island to keep essential information visible without leaving your current app. Tap once on Dynamic Island to jump into the associated app instantly from anywhere. Press and hold for 1 second to reveal expanded controls and quick actions without fully opening the app. Swipe left or right on the island to flip between active background tasks like navigation and music. While a live activity runs, glance at real-time updates without interrupting your current app or video. These simple gestures keep the experience fast and context-aware throughout your day. Control which apps appear in Dynamic Island by enabling live activities and notifications for those apps. Rely on the island for navigation directions, music controls, timers, and third-party ride or sports updates while multitasking. If an activity becomes distracting, open the app and end the session to remove persistent updates from the island. Use Face ID and focus modes alongside Dynamic Island to limit interruptions during work or sleep. Practicing these settings makes the island.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.